How to remove VPN configuration files. If you have configured VPN using any of the VPN apps sometimes, and you want to remove all of those configuration files that you've added to your DNS network. In order to do so, I will show you the process on my Samsung, but you can follow the steps on other Android or iOS devices as well. First of all, simply open up Settings, and from here go to Connections. In the case of Samsung, I can scroll down to More Connection Settings. From here, I can go to the option that says VPN and just tap on it. Here you can see various VPN profiles that I've added, which are also called configuration files. In order to delete them, I can just tap on the the gear icon on the right hand side of it, and there you'll find the trash icon that says Delete VPN profile. When you tap on it, you can just tap on the delete button in order to delete that VPN profile and repeat the process for all of the other configuration files. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.